Welcome back. Today we're talking about something harder than you think. Forgiveness. Culture says, get even, get revenge. They don't deserve your kindness. But Proverbs shows us a different path, one that sets you free. Let me show you Maya's story. Maya and Jenna were best friends until the night Maya discovered Jenna had posted their private conversations online, mocking her deepest struggles. The betrayal cut deep. Her phone flooded with notifications as friends laughed at her pain. Maya's roommate was furious. Expose her back. Make her pay.
Maya, I'm here. It's okay.
Maya had plenty of ammunition. Embarrassing secrets,
Now, Maya?
private
Look,
confessions.
Someone posted about me.
Her finger
There's always
hovered
drama
over the
with
post
you. I
button.
didn't do anything.
Revenge felt justified. But something stopped her. She closed the app, though the bitterness didn't leave. It settled into her chest like a stone. Days passed. Maya avoided Jenna on campus, ignored her calls. Friends urged her to get back at her. The hurt festered. Maya poisoned
This
the
is
well.
pointless. Let's just
Comments
copy
to
the
mutual
answers.
friends, sarcastic jabs
Oh,
about
please.
trust.
This is your brilliant plan.
When Jenna tried
This is gonna be a
apologizing in the
disaster.
library, Maya turned away
Maya,
coldly.
please don't do this.
Bitterness
It's over, Jenna.
grew.
Just stop.
Maya
But why? We're
replayed
friends.
the
Not
betrayal
anymore.
constantly, rehearsing what she should have said. Her other friendships suffered. She became suspicious, guarded, quick to take offense. Late nights, she scrolled Jenna's social media, burning with jealousy. When her mom called, Maya brushed her off,
Yeah, I know it's late.
but she wasn't fine.
I'm fine. Really.
Unforgiveness
Just didn't
was
sleep
crushing
much.
her, sleepless, joyless. At church, the pastor preached on forgiveness. Maya sat rigid, resistant. Later, seeing Jenna crying in the parking lot, Maya felt nothing. Her heart had hardened. Maya met mentor Sarah at a coffee shop and shared everything. Sarah asked gently, "Who's really being
You've been
hurt
carrying this,
by this
haven't you?
bitterness?
Yes,
Jenna
I think I finally
or
understand.
you?"
That's the first
The
step.
truth landed hard. Jenna had moved on. Maya was in prison.
Maya, I know
Sarah
it's difficult,
shared
but you're
her
not
own
alone.
betrayal
Trust me,
story.
we'll figure this out together.
Forgiveness
Just
isn't
take it one step
saying
at a
what she
time.
did was okay. It's releasing the debt she owes you. Alone in the chapel, Maya prayed messy, honest prayers. She didn't want to forgive, but remembering her own failures and need for grace, tears came. The next day, Maya approached Jenna. They sat on a bench. Jenna apologized
Jenna, what
with
is it?
genuine
I messed
remorse.
up, Maya.
Maya
Hey,
took
it's
a
okay,
deep
I'm here.
breath.
I'm so sorry.
"I forgive you."
Jenna, I forgive you.
The weight
It's
lifted.
finally lifted. I feel
Freedom. See what happened? Maya chose mercy over revenge, and she was the one set free. Proverbs says it's our glory to overlook an offense. Kindness isn't weakness. It's the strength to break the cycle. Please like and subscribe. I'm Papa Solomon. Choose wisdom.